Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken in slap battles, but in a truly terrible way. We'll dive into the most inefficient strategies, ensuring your journey is filled with maximum frustration and minimal progress. Forget easy wins. Our goal is to make this achievement as arduous as humanly possible. Prepare for a guide that actively works against your success, turning a simple task into an epic, drawn-out struggle. This isn't about speed, it's about the scenic, painful route. To truly embrace the bad method, you must intentionally choose gloves with very low slap power, like the default glove. Your objective is to extend each round for as long as possible, ideally for 10 minutes or more. Actively avoid powerful opponents and instead chase after players who are skilled at dodging. Furthermore, make it your mission to be slapped off the arena at least 5 times per minute, ensuring your slap count remains incredibly low. This strategy guarantees a slow, agonizing grind. A key component of our bad guide is to completely disregard the actual objective of slap battles. Instead of trying to get slaps, spend your time exploring the map's edges or standing still in the middle. Engage in friendly emotes with opponents rather than fighting them. If you happen to get a slap, consider it a minor setback. Your goal is to achieve 0 slaps for at least 3 consecutive rounds, proving your dedication to this inefficient path. This approach ensures minimal progress towards the Kraken glove. After hours of dedicated inefficiency, the Kraken moment will likely arrive through sheer luck or an opponent's error. Perhaps you'll accidentally slap someone off the map, or a glitch will award you the necessary slaps. This isn't about skill, it's about enduring the struggle until the game, out of pity, grants you the glove. When it finally happens, after hundreds of rounds and countless failures, you'll have earned the Kraken glove in the most spectacularly bad way possible. Congratulations on your truly terrible achievement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.